Located in Winneconne, Wisconsin, Proto-1 Manufacturing has been an OEM for the tube and pipe industry since 1997. Our machines and products specialize in tube cutoff, tube deburring, tube end forming, and more. Follow along to learn more about our company, processes, and specialties. Since 2019, Proto-1 is an ISO 9001-2015 certified company. Take a look at what we can do for you on our mobile-friendly website at www.proto1mfg.com, where you'll find pictures, videos, and specifications on all of our machines, as well as links to our YouTube channel, LinkedIn, and Facebook pages. At Proto-1, we have a dedicated in-house team of mechanical engineers to help bring your next tube end forming solution into reality. Our mechanical engineers have over 50 plus years of combined experience within the tube and pipe industry. Our in-house engineering capabilities allow us to have full control over your project. Using the latest technology of SolidWorks, our team can bring your project to reality. You can count on our engineering team to engineer a tube end forming solution to meet and exceed your expectations. Proto-1 has a dedicated quick lead time machining area of our machine shop to produce and manufacture parts that are critical to customer operations. This area allows us to reduce lead times while ensuring customer uptime. All of our machines are proudly built in Wisconsin, with the majority of our parts being manufactured here in our full-service machine shop. Having a full-service machine shop allows us to reduce lead times, control costs, and maintain quality. Our machine shop is kept up to date with Doosan 3-axis CNC mills, the latest version of Mastercam CNC machining software, and new tooling from Seco and other brands to deliver a part to meet your required tolerances. Equipped with vertical CNC mills, CNC lathes, a horizontal boring bar, and other various machining equipment, our machine shop is qualified to meet demand. Each machining center is manned by a skilled machinist who have the ability to program and run various parts to meet specification. We possess a wide range of capabilities, with parts being produced as small as a 1/4-inch ball bearing to our Ram 70 side plates, which are comparable to the length and the height of a small car. From standard projects to large custom builds, our machine shop and machinists can handle your next tube end forming project. Proto-1 has an in-house heat treat area for increased part longevity and durability. Having this capability in-house allows Proto-1 to further reduce its lead time while ensuring quality. Along with our mechanical engineering team, Proto-1 fully staffs an in-house team of electrical engineers and assemblers that specialize in motion control, machine programming, hydraulics, pneumatics, and servos. Every electrical panel is built and assembled in-house by our electrical department. Our electrical engineering team can make any project come to life with the seamless integration of automation. Electrical panels for your tube end forming project can either be UL or CUL certified by our team. Proto-1 machines come standard with Allen Bradley PLCs and controls. Custom controls such as Siemens or Omron can be integrated at your request. You can count on our team to provide highly qualified electrical engineering service to meet your needs. At Proto-1, we have a dedicated in-house assembly team to assemble our product lines that include Ram end forming, rotary end forming, segmented end forming, tube deburring, slotting, notching, and punching, and custom machines. Once the parts are completed in our machine shop, they are then staged here in our assembly department. From there, our assembly technicians assemble your tube end forming solution. Each machine is then programmed and optimized electronically to meet your cycle time and rate by one of our electrical programmers. Once each machine assembly is complete, our in-house tool technicians rigorously test your tooling and machine to qualify its accuracy and repeatability every cycle. Our tool technicians work to optimize your project to ensure the fastest cycle time is met. Each tested program is stored within the machine before it meets your production floor, so no programming is required. Between all of our product lines, we can form or deburr parts from 1/8 of an inch to 18 inches in diameter. When you need something outside of standard specifications, Proto-1 can help by designing and building a machine to meet your specific product requirements. All of our machines are designed and built to easily integrate automation. Our assembly team can fully test your automated cell to ensure part quality and a consistent process. Proto-1 has a state-of-the-art quality lab that conducts analysis of components, sub-assemblies, and final assemblies to verify that we are meeting our customers' specifications. Our quality lab is equipped with precision measuring instruments such as a Brown & Sharp CMM, ferroarm, a ferro laser line probe, an optical comparator, granite tables, and various micrometers and gauges. Even the most intricate and complex parts can be assessed by our laser scanner. Annual audits of our measuring equipment are conducted to maintain accurate measurements. Quality is our top priority at Proto-1, and our quality control technicians have the tools and know-how to provide superior parts to our customers.